Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious rice snacks at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cooked rice, a sweetener like sugar or honey, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your rice is slightly sticky. This helps it hold together. Prepare a clean workspace and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy handling. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get creative with shaping. Gently press the cooked rice into small balls, squares, or use fun molds. This is where you can really personalize your snacks. Next, incorporate your favorite flavorings. Think cinnamon, vanilla extract, or even a bit of fruit puree for a natural sweetness. For extra binding and a chewy texture, a small amount of melted marshmallow works wonders. Experiment and have fun. Hey everyone, if you're finding these rice snack tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: after making these delicious snacks, you might want to freshen up your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once shaped, it's time to cook your rice snacks. One popular method is baking them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, until they turn a lovely golden brown. For a crispy exterior, you can pan-fry them in a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat. If you have an air fryer, that's another fantastic option for a quick, crunchy, and healthier snack. Choose your favorite method. After cooking, let your rice snacks cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them firm up and prevents them from sticking. Now for the fun part, finishing touches. Drizzle with melted chocolate, a simple glaze, or a dusting of powdered sugar. For storage, place your cooled snacks in an airtight container. They will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 3 days, perfect for quick treats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.